Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Omoayo and today I'm going to be unboxing one of the purchases I've been wanting to make for years. I've been literally looking at this belt since it came out, and it came to my apartment a couple days ago. I opened the box already, but I actually haven't opened the contents of the box. So I'm going to be unboxing it together and sharing tips on the sizing, seeing if I got my sizing actually accurate, because the sizing on Gucci's website can like to be confusing sometimes. But let's open it. For some context, I got the Gucci Marmont belt in size 1, inlet in width 1, with a 1 inch width, I guess. So it comes in this obscure box. You don't know it's from Gucci. The address doesn't have anything to do with Gucci, so nobody knows what you're actually getting. And then I have this. That's so nice of them. They put in a return label, so I don't have to actually worry about printing a return label if I wanted to return it. And then there's just some return conditions in this wonderful envelope. So this is the star of the story. I'm super excited about this belt actually, guys, because I've been looking at it for, like I said, years and years. I was just like, does it even make sense to spend this much money on an accessory? That's it. And then the Gucci box, of course, which some of you are familiar with. So let's just pop that open. I'm so giddy. Oh my god. Okay. Alright. Wow, it feels so light. So that's it. That's where all my money went? Okay. So 1 second. Okay, so I went to get a tape so I could actually measure it for you guys. So this is the belt in all of its glory. Actually, you guys actually see it here. Ow. Alright. So this is the belt in all of its glory. This belt comes in 3 sizes and I got the middle size. It comes in a 0.8 inch, which should be obviously skinnier than this, and a 1.5 inch, which is wide. And I went for the 1 inch because I felt like that would be perfect for wearing with jeans as well as dresses. Just the perfect mix and match belt. I don't want to spend money twice, but buy belts specifically for jeans and then buy another Gucci belt for dresses. That didn't seem like a wise investment to me, so I just went with the 1 inch, which I feel would be a multifaceted belt for all my purposes. And the weird thing about when I was buying the Gucci belt, I was trying to figure out the sizing for so long. So they actually measure from the width, so from the middle belt hole, so the 3rd belt hole, to the end of the belt is going to be what the measurement on the Gucci website is. So if I remember correctly, I got the 70. Literally where the belt starts, where the buckle starts to the middle, is 70 cm. Yeah, 70 cm, not inches. So I'm gonna try this belt out to see if my sizing worked, and the sizing and give you guys sizing tips if this is actually accurate. So this is how it fits. I went in the 3rd hole for my jeans, and it fits pretty good. I like how it fits. Let's see if I can actually wear it as a waist belt. Alright, so that is perfect. So I think my sizing was perfect. I can actually wear this belt both as for trousers and wear it as a dress. So for sizing, let me walk you through what I did. So I went with the size 70 like I spoke on before, and so that means I actually sized down. So when I measured around my waist is 28 inches, and that would mean if you wanted to wear low-rise jeans, you would go for a size 75. I'm going to put this picture of what I'm looking at on the side right now, and also put a link down below so you understand. So around my waist is size 28, so that would be perfectly, like if I went for size 75 Gucci belt for my size 28, like I wouldn't be able to wear it as a waist belt because it would be too big. But you can also make holes. It's better for you to get a bigger belt than a smaller belt, because you can't like add inches, but you can always make more holes like down this way. But I didn't want to make holes, so I figured the safest way to be able to maximize my belt, I didn't want to buy a belt for dresses and a belt for jeans. That didn't make sense to me, so I just sized down and it ended up working out. So I got the size 70 cm, and this is the 1 inch if you want to see, like if you want to see for. And I think this would be perfect for both dresses and like jeans, like a daily wear belt. So yeah, so if you want a multi-use belt, I would recommend like sizing down, like I said, sizing down or getting your exact size. So like if your waist is 28 inches, either get a size 75 belt, which is 75 centimeters, or get a size 70 belt. With the size 70 belt, you might risk it being too small, but I think like the safest thing would be to go with your exact size and make more holes if you want to wear it with a dress. But let me know if you had any specific questions you want me to answer. I'm so excited about this purchase, and I feel like this has been an amazing investment. I've literally been looking at this belt for years on years, but I hope this was helpful. I hope you're able to see like what the belt looks like in person. Like it's super light. There's no much bells and whistles about the belt, although the buckle is slightly heavy, but like feels great. I'm excited about this purchase. But I hope like this was super helpful and you enjoyed watching this. But if you have any questions for me, leave them down below and I'll let you guys know what I think. Bye, till next time.